I get asked about 2005 Ford F-150 oxygen sensor replacement a lot. And honestly, if you've ever felt that little check engine light taunting you, you're not alone. That sensor can tank your gas mileage by 20% or more and ruin your day. Oxygen sensors are like the taste buds for your truck's engine. They tell the computer if it's running too rich or lean. When they fail, suddenly you're burning too much fuel, the engine's sluggish, and your exhaust smells like regret and last week's donuts. Pain point number 1. That stubborn sensor is buried under the truck. Crawling underneath in your driveway is basically half yoga, half wrestling match with a rusted piece of Detroit steel. Let's not sugarcoat it. On a 2005 F-150, there are 2 or even 4 sensors. First things first, use an OBD2 scanner. You want to be 100% sure it's an oxygen sensor problem. And which one? Bank 1, Bank 2, upstream, downstream. A cheap scanner from Amazon can save you hours of guessing and endless YouTube rabbit holes. Here's the ugly. Those sensors can basically weld themselves into the exhaust pipe after 19 Oregon winters. Unless you enjoy bloody knuckles and inventive cursing, invest in an oxygen sensor socket and douse the threads with penetrating oil overnight. Jack the truck up safely. A sagging F-150 can ruin your whole month in about 2 seconds. Pads, jack stands, and wheel chocks are non-negotiable. This is not the time for, "it'll be fine." Trust me, one slip and you'll regret skipping safety. Unplugging the sensor can feel weirdly satisfying, kind of like popping bubble wrap. The electrical connector usually has a little tab. Squeeze and pull apart. If it's baked in place, wiggle gently and keep your patience. No shame in prying softly with a flat screwdriver. Slide that O2 sensor socket over the sensor, attach your ratchet, and crank. Lefty-loosey. If it fights you, don't force it too much. A snapped sensor means an expensive trip to the exhaust shop. Give it another shot with more penetrating oil and maybe a breaker bar. Once it's loose, it'll unscrew by hand. The threads will be crusty, so take a minute to clean them with a wire brush. A little anti-seize on the new sensor's threads is a pro move. It'll save you grief next time. Just don't get any on the tip of the sensor. Screw in the new sensor gently and hand tighten before torquing it down, usually about 30 feet-pounds. Double-check the wiring. Twisting or pinching those wires is the express route to another check engine light in a week. Plug the new sensor in, making sure the connector clicks. Route the wire away from any hot or moving parts. Randomly melting wires is not a fun plot twist. Secure it with a zip tie if it dangles anywhere near the drive shaft or exhaust. Lower the truck, cross your fingers, and clear the codes with your OBD2 reader. That moment when the check engine light stays off? Basically automotive therapy. Gas mileage and engine performance should noticeably improve in the next few days if you did it right. People procrastinate on oxygen sensors, but F-150s eat them for breakfast after enough miles. Budget 90 minutes, have the right tools, and you'll save yourself $200 to $400 in shop labor. Most importantly, your truck will run happier, you'll burn less fuel, and the air will thank you.